Traders, Zellman here, July 30th, 2018, after the market closed. I'm going to report on ticker symbol HEME, Health Med Services. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher or visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. Let's take a look at HEME. You can see it looks good on as far as going upward slightly. But what happened over here, and we're looking at the daily chart right now. What happened over here, you can see shot up to around 7, 8. I really wanted her to close above 7, and some selling pressure came in at the end of the day and trickled her down, still above the support level of 0.0058. And you see this downtrend bar right here. You see how it's over it right here. Tomorrow it's going to be above it, the very first trade, so that looks good. That looks long for us. The MAC histogram looks like she's finally positive here. The only outlook that I don't like right here is the 7 cents. I want her to break above it and close above her. And then we will have an 8 cents resistance level. This resistance level doesn't look too strong. You know, if we close above 7 cents, we should be okay. Let me just put that out there for you. About 8 cents, maybe a little lower. Okay. No, sorry. Let's see. Oh, that's too low. Yeah, about 8.4, 8.5. Okay, so that's the next resistance level. But right now, we just want her to close above 7. She does that moving forward. I think she'll break through 8 with ease. And if she breaks through 8, I'm pretty sure we'll have a new high. You know, 1.0125 will hit the tape in something even higher in the near future. Let's just take a look at the let's just take a look at the hourly chart right now. See what that's looking like. And as you can see, we still have bottoms, higher lows being created. As far as the 60-minute, back it up. It still looks healthy, looks good. We'll see what this does tomorrow. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher or visit my site, thetradingteacher.com.